morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. So today is day 4 of the Brook Olympics and it's the Top Chef Challenge. I'm actually just going to show it at the end of my video if you want the description, and I'm sure your teachers will show you during their morning message. If not, you can definitely reach out to your teachers and ask them what the challenge is. So make sure you have your materials for today. At the top, you're writing Thursday, your name, the date, which is 6/11/20. You're writing number 1 and number 2 with the line in the middle. On the back, you're doing 3 and 4 with the line in the middle. And then on the last page, you're writing exit ticket. All right, let's go on to question number 1. You're writing at the top 72, 76, 2 blank lines, 88, and then 92. Okay. So the directions say fill in the missing pattern. So before we fill in the missing pattern, let's see if the pattern is going up or down. 72, 76, 88, 92. What do you think, up or down? Yeah, it's definitely going up. So you want to make sure when you're figuring this out, you're counting up. So you can go ahead and try this now. Okay, so I'm actually going to start with 72, and I'm going to try to figure out what the pattern is. So I'm going to count up, and I'm going to stop when I get to 76. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Okay, now I'm going to see what the pattern is. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that the pattern is +4. Okay, so now I can start with 76. I can put 4 circles so that I know what that missing spot is right here. So 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay. And now I could put 80 in my brain. 4 circles. And count up. So 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. And just to make sure if this is right, let's add 4 more to 84. So 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Okay, so that's correct. All right, let's go to question number 2. At the top, you're just going to write break up 12. Break up 12. Then below that, you're drawing 2 square boxes. On this first box on the top, you're going to write first way, and then you're going to draw 2 lines to separate this so that you can have 3 boxes inside of it. And you're going to do the same thing over here, and you're going to write second way on this side. Okay. So it says break up the number 12 into 3 parts in 2 different ways. Use circles to show your work. So let's break up the number 12 in one way first. And remember, we can break up the number 12 in many different ways. So if mine is different than the way you did it, that's totally fine, okay? So do it in the first way and then we'll go over it. All right, so I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I'm actually going to write a number sentence to match this. So if you didn't write a number sentence to match yours, you should do that now. So I'm going to count how many I have in each part. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 12, okay? And let me just make sure I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, good, I have 12. All right, do it in another way. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have 2 in the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know this all equals 12, but let's make sure. Well, I know 6 plus 4 is 10, and then plus 2 is 12, so that's correct. All right, it is time for that dance break. Okay, let's go on to question number 3. At the top, you're writing 32 minus triangle equals 8. 32 minus triangle equals 8. Okay, so it says find the missing value. Then it says to draw a bar model to match. First thing we need to do is label our total and our parts. Remember, the total goes before the minus sign. These are our parts. So we're missing a part here. You're going to draw a line in the middle because this is going to be your bar model. This will be your strategy. You can do your strategy with tens, ones. You can do a number line strategy. You can do a number sentence strategy, whatever you feel like works for you. So you can go ahead and do the strategy now. All right, so I'm actually going to do a number line strategy. And I'm going to start with my part, so that means I'm going to add and stop when I get to my total. So if I'm adding, I start on the left side. Remember, if you're subtracting, you start on the right side and you count back, okay? But we're adding here. So I'm going to start with 8. And I know I need to get to 32. Now, I'm going to just get to a friendly number so I can count by tens in an easy way. So I'm just going to add plus 2, and that's going to get me to 10. Okay, so I got to my friendly number. Now, I'm not at 32 yet, okay? So I'm going to add, let's see, I'm at 10. I'm gonna see how many 10 sticks or how many hops of 10 I would make. So 10, 20, 30, I definitely want to stop there. So I have 2 10s. 2 10s equals 20 plus 20. That gets me to 30. Well, I'm not there yet, so I know I need to make another hop of 2. And that got me to 32. Now my missing part is on the top here. I know that 20 plus 2 plus 2 equals 24. So 24 was my missing part. I'm just gonna write a number sentence to match this. So 24 was that missing part at the top. Okay, now you can draw a bar model to match. So you're gonna do a long rectangle. And I know that these are my parts. I want to make sure that 24 is the biggest part and that 8 is the smaller one. And remember, you're doing an arrow at the top and putting your total here, which is 32. Okay, let's go on to question number 4. So at the top, you're writing mental math. That's all you're gonna write is mental math. And I'm gonna zoom in onto my chart so that you can see the numbers that you should write on your paper. If you need extra time, you can pause the video now to finish writing. Okay, so I'm going to read this. Solve each problem as quickly as you can using mental math. Okay, so I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to do these, starting now. And stop. Okay, so let's go over each of these answers. 110 plus 10 is 120. 124 plus 10 is 134. 49 plus 1 is 50. 119 plus 1 is 120. 68 plus 10 is 78. And 79 plus 1 is 80. Okay, let's go on to our exit ticket. Nice job, everyone. On the screen, I'm going to show you what we have for today. If you need extra time, you can pause the video now. All right, everyone, have an awesome Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.